All right, here's a short video on how to draw the title block for a sheet in AutoCAD. So first I'm going to start the line command with ortho on, and I also have snaps on. So the first thing I'm going to do is zoom in on this corner here, but I need to stay inside my print line about like this. First dimension to put in, it can be, as per our directions, can be 1.0 inches high. And I'm going to zoom out, and now as I go over, I'm going to have to just stay inside my print line. I cannot use the actual dimensions that were on our original title block and border, as the print line will not allow me to do this. So I'm going to stay just inside the print line like this. I'm going to come down 1.0. That's the actual height of our title block. And then I'm going to come across and snap into the beginning point. Then I'm going to go ahead and draw this center line, but I'm not going to do the entire title block. You have the directions on that. This is just to get you started. So I'll go ahead and put the center line in on that. And then I would go back and do my offset lines from the different boxes coming across, 4, 3, and then I believe the other one was 1.75 back this way. So that, and then put the text in, and you'll be done with that portion. Now the viewport is the next thing you want to deal with. All you have to do is click on the viewport, make the grip hot, left click on the grip, turn ortho off, and snap into that corner there, and do the same thing on the other corner. Left click on the grip, make it hot, and snap into the corner. If I can get a good clean snap, there we go. And then scroll out, scroll back in, and drag this, make the left grip hot, or left click and make the grip hot, and drag up to this portion here, and then zoom out, check your other corner, make sure it's inside the print line. It is, we're good. Hit escape, double click on the center wheel, and zoom in and out just to get the grid lines in place. Double click on the outside to lock the viewport, and now you have the start of your title block. Hopefully that will help getting you started on the A sheet. And then the B sheet is done the same way. You'll have, after you make your B sheet, then you'll draw the title block 1 inch high, go across to your print line, and come down 1 inch, and then close that box out. That should get you started on your title block and border. All right, hope that helps. Talk to you soon.